Hi there, it's Dan from Bocain Designs, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to take a backup of your website using SiteGround's backup feature. So for this to work, you need to have a web hosting account with SiteGround, and after you've logged into SiteGround and gone to your site tools for your website, so that's where we are now, we're at the dashboard for the website, come over here on the left sidebar and click on Security, then go ahead and click on Backups, and in here you'll see I've had this account active for a long time, so there's already backups in here, but every single day, roughly the same time, 10:37, 10:38 a.m., they take a snapshot for me. So there's a daily backup going on, but sometimes you want to manually take a backup. Maybe you're getting ready to do a big change to your site, and you want to take a backup. So that's why we are here. You've arrived at the backup page. Go ahead and give your backup a name, and you could call it, as an example, website before redesign, but we'll just call it my backup. And then go ahead and click create. And the backup will give you a notification that it's in progress, and depending on the size of your website, it might take 30 seconds, it might take 5 minutes. It shouldn't take much longer than that. I'm going to pause the video while it is going, and then I'll show you what to do from here. Okay, so the backup has completed. You can see that because it says backup, my backup is created, and then we can also see it right here. These without the label, the ones that don't have labels are the automated backups, and when you create one, it'll have your label, and you can also see over here on the right, it says manual instead of system. So we know it worked, and then you have a couple options. If you need to restore your backup, let's say whatever you've done to your website went horribly wrong and you want to restore this backup, come back to this screen, come over here to the right where it says Actions, and you can click Restore All Files and Database. That will bring it back to how it was when you took the backup. If you're a little bit more technical and you understand what kind of damage you've done and what you need to restore, you have the option to just restore the files or just the database or just your emails. That's always going to be determined based on your circumstance. But when in doubt, you can take a backup and you can do a full restore using this tool. It's relatively easy, low tech skills required, and it'll also keep a log of your restorations here, so you can see and have a verification that, hey, I clicked restore, did it work? One, you should be able to look at your website and tell, like, yes, it looks like it restored, but if for some reason you're not sure, you can come back to this page and it'll at least confirm whether or not the restoration has occurred or not. And one other thing is, sometimes when you restore your website, you'll still have to clear the cache. And to do that is, come here to Speed, click on Caching, and if this is active, go to Dynamic Cache right here, and click the little sweep icon on all of them, and now visit your website in incognito mode, and everything should be back to how it was before you took the backup after you did the restoration. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.